Okay, so beef liver versus chicken liver, and what is the nutritional value of this nutrient dense food? Either of them are okay. It depends on your preference. Chicken liver is a little bit milder in flavor, but beef liver is slightly higher in nutritional value. Both of them are high in high quality protein, which is important for the repair and maintenance of muscles. They're both high in vitamin A. Beef liver has a little bit higher vitamin A value. Vitamin A is important for the skin health, for the vision, and for immune function. They're both high in iron, heme iron especially, versus the iron that you get from the plant-based diet. And heme iron is more absorbable. Iron is important for the oxygen transfer in the blood, and both are packed with B vitamins. B vitamins are very important in overall health and also for energy metabolism. So either one are great choices to add to any healthy nutrient dense diet.